Coming back to your government as well, you said you are going to have 15 ministers,
Yes.
with no deputy ministers.
Mm-hmm.
How are you going to choose these people? Because we have heard in the previous government, I'm choosing technocrats, then the next one is Chimurenga cabinet. Yours will be built cabinet. What qualifications are there for one to be chosen to be the Minister of Education, Home Affairs, Agriculture, Land and Water Resources?
Yeah. No, that's a very, very good question. We want. You are right. It's going to be a build cabinet. It's going to be a cabinet to build the country. So, look, there are various qualifications that you look at when it comes to choosing leaders, right? You make sure that they have the competencies to actually do the job. And in our country, what we have seen is that an incompetent minister of mines will be transferred and become Minister of Transportation, as if the transferring of that incompetence to the Ministry of Transportation somehow something happens as they are moving offices, right? You see, it's very, very important if somebody demonstrates that they are competent for them to be appointed into the area of responsibility, which relates to their skills. So yeah, you look at what this person brings. What have they done before? And what can they do? What is their vision for that particular ministry? And you know what? It has to be. You can't just say, I'm appointing you. You really have got to talk to this person and really figure out if they have the energy, the competency, and the integrity to bring to that particular portfolio. So yeah, I mean, it's like appointing a CEO of a company. What do? You do your due diligence. You find out where they have worked before, what they've done before, what they bring to the table, and then you make you make the deployment.